we play a song in nice listening rooms like this. We play a song that we play for our moms that we miss. And if you miss your mom, this is for you too. It's called Hurricane Wind. Yesterday the world was light as a feather. Everything was so alive, filled with color. It'll pass you by, the innocence of time, as boys turn to men like hurricanes. And then be a good girl, she'll drive you crazy. The sunrise and her eyes, she'll make it dizzy. And for a while that's nice, love gets sacrificed, 'cause boys turn to men like hurricanes. You'll never know a love that grows like a mother. She'll keep you safe for all your days, even when you're older. But now Mom stays in heaven's grace, as the boys turn to men like hurricanes. Like hurricane wind, like hurricane wind, hurricane wind, hurricane. Anybody have any questions? No, I'm just kidding. So this song, I wrote about a guy named Jason Molina, and he had a band called the Magnolia Electric Company, and he had a song called Hold On Magnolia, which was this beautiful 7-minute song. It was about him kind of sensing things coming to an end for him, and I thought it was such a beautiful song. He's like this cult hero, and I wrote a kind of a song back to him called Goodnight Magnolia. That's what this is. Go around again. Look, it wasn't me. It wasn't me, okay? song is called Goodnight, Magnolia. Hey, you come for it all. You come for the errors, you know. Goodnight, Magnolia, and I'm sorry for what you lost. And I know the price you paid wasn't nearly worth the cost. But the buyer must beware, the way it hurts ain't ever fair. Goodnight, Magnolia. Goodnight, Magnolia. Every place you went was hard, 'cause our thoughts go always with us, no matter where we are. And you never kept the score when it's someone else's score. Goodnight, Magnolia. All the love you had to give, all the life you had to live, is leaking out like a sail. Goodnight, Magnolia. Goodnight, Magnolia. I feel my time is drawing near. I could hear the ones before me whisper in my ear. And I know that I'm alright, but sometimes it's hard to feel. Goodnight, Magnolia. All the love you had to give, all the life I had to live, is leaking out like a sail. Goodnight, Magnolia. All the love you had to give, all the life you had to live, is leaking out like a sail. Goodnight.
Thank you, thank you. All right, thank you. And you guys.
One of my main men out there. You guys don't know how much I paid him to stand up after that song.
And wearing one of our shirts, too. That's right. Thank you.
All right.
actor's letter. He has no idea we ran out of those
We
shirts.
ran out of that one.
Don't worry, we reprint them.
We have two. Yeah, we will be.
We have 2 other shirts out there that y'all
Yeah.
can pick up. That's right, my man. You sure are.